大家好 Welcome to Learn with Lena 5 Daily Expressions in Chinese. I'm Alina. Today, we will learn these 5 daily expressions. Now, listen carefully and read after me. Number 1. 在吗?在吗? Are you there? Number 2. 在在 Yes, I'm here. Number 3. 辛苦了辛苦了 So much toil for you. Number 4. 别这么说别这么说 It's nothing really. Number 5. 我喜欢吃锅包肉我喜欢吃锅包肉 I like to eat double-cooked pork slices. So now, if someone asks you, what do you like to eat? You can reply with this sentence. And just need to replace the word 锅包肉 with your answer. Okay, now let's come to today's keywords. 辛苦辛苦 Adjective. Toilsome. 这么这么 Adverb. So. 喜欢喜欢 Verb. Like. 锅包肉锅包肉 Noun. Double-cooked pork slices. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, you can visit our website or our Facebook page. See you next time. 再见。